Please turn on and choose the subtitle on your YouTube first.
Hello everyone, my name is Siti Sasadita and I'm from Social 2. Today, I'm gonna make some special dish for the Middle Eastern. There is kebuli rice as my special product. Can't wait to know how it starts. So let's get it started now. So, I have already prepared all the ingredients right here. First of all, we have lamb, long grain rice, salt, water, coconut milk, red tomato will make it some into liquid, star anise, red chili, ghee, cardamom, milk powder. It will make the dish so tasteful. And then clove, lemongrass, cinnamon, and we have ginger here. I guess it's such as 5 centimeter. Shallot, onion, garlic, cumin powder, coriander powder, and the last one is pepper. First, turn on the stove into low heat. And we put 1 ghee into a pan. And we put a chopped onion. Until we wait the onion. This are already spices. This is ghee and all kind of onion that we need to. I blended of it. And we put to the pan. We saute it until the liquid drain organ. This is dry enough, so we add the lemongrass. Don't forget to hit the bottom of the rice. the yummiest part, it is lamb. It is lamb fresh and juicy. And don't forget to put a water. Stir it well. And now we put a coconut milk. Milk powder. And the last one is salt. Stir it well. We add MSG, sugar, and stir it well. And we wait until the lamb is juicy and tender. While we're waiting the lamb, we are going to wash the rice. The rice is all ready. I'm using the long grain rice because it's identical to the main point of the dish. It's quite a long time now. We are gonna check the lamb. Ooh, the lamb is all ready. Now we're gonna strain the lamb. And then we pour the spices of the lamb into rice. Don't forget to turn off the stove. And yeah, I'm going to using a rice cooker to cook it. So it will just take a short time. And we'll wait until 30 or 40 minutes until it's ready to serve. Okay guys, we're back again. And it's already past 30 minutes. Now, let's see the rice. Whoa, it's already set and cooked. It's time to plating.
Elin kızı naziktir, onun küsmeye gelmez. Haydi küsmeye gelmez. Eller oynasın, eller diller.
The blue rice from Sahara product is ready to serve now.
Sevdesinler, o dillerini yesinler. Eller oynasın, eller diller kaynasın diller.
Let's take the first bite.
isterse desinler, o dillerini yesinler.
Aroma of the herbs is very tasteful, the lamb is very juicy, and the melody chips is very savory of its dip.
Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.